Every great sign begins with an opportunity. A customer reaches out with an idea, and business development captures the request inside Mothernode, turning that opportunity into a structured project that can move forward. Estimating builds the plan. Materials, labor, vendors, and timelines come together to produce accurate quotes and protect margins. Once approved, project managers take the lead, reviewing specifications, coordinating departments, scheduling crews, and making sure every moving part stays on track. In a growing sign company, dozens of jobs may be moving at once. Without visibility, problems hide until it's too late. But with Mothernode, teams can see exactly where every job stands, spotting bottlenecks early, forecasting capacity, and getting ahead of problems before schedules slip. On the shop floor, production comes to life. Routers cut letters, printers produce graphics, fabricators assemble the structures that will soon become finished signage. Work orders, materials, and specifications are all connected to the same job record, giving every team member the clarity they need to focus on what comes next. Install crews prepare for the field, reviewing site details, coordinating schedules, and bringing the final vision to life. Meanwhile, accounting tracks invoices, job costs, and payments, supporting complex billing requirements like progress billing and pay applications. And for managers and business owners, Mothernode provides a clear view across the entire company: sales activity, job progress, production schedules, and financial performance. Because companies like this can't operate in silos. Not when hundreds of schedules must stay aligned. Not when multiple departments depend on shared information. And in the signage industry, no two projects are alike. One job may be fully fabricated in-house. Another may involve buying out components. Some projects span multiple locations across an entire region. That's why flexibility matters. Mothernode adapts to the way sign companies actually work, supporting everything from single storefront projects to enterprise signage rollouts. And it's the only platform in its class with built-in storefront, reordering through Customer Connect, allowing clients to request new signage, replacements, or updates through a controlled portal tied directly into your workflow. Information flows naturally between systems without slowing the team down. No duplicate entry, no disconnected tools. Just a single source of truth that keeps the entire company aligned, reducing risk, saving time, and giving growing sign companies the clarity they need to scale. Mothernode, the #1 platform that growing sign companies depend on.